So, what if I told you that I can create all these motion graphics with just one click? Even this live chat sounds unbelievable, right? Well, let me show you how you can do it completely for free. First, head over to this site and sign up. Once you are in, you will see tons of awesome features, and the best part, you can use them all for free. Here is how it works. Enter your prompt. You can even generate your prompt using ChatGPT, paste it here, and click generate. Wait for a few seconds and you will see the results. For example, I just create this pie chart exactly the way I want. You can also customize it using the background color by clicking here and select your favorite color. You can even increase the video length if you need it. When you are ready, click export, choose 1080 pixels and make any final tweaks. Then hit export and it's done. Next, let's try something different. I will generate a battery animation using another prompt from ChatGPT, and here is the results. Look amazing. You can also create videos for YouTube Shorts. For example, here are 5 tips to grow your YouTube channel. Imagine sharing your own ideas in shorts, engaging videos like this. It's that simple. This tool is not just for content creators, it's also super useful for data analysts who want to turn data into eye-catching visuals. So go ahead, give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.